My name is Patrick Astredo. I'm with LA Metro. We're 11,000 employees strong. Our general annualized budget is a little over $7 billion. We service the entire county of Los Angeles with both bus and rail service. Pre-pandemic, we moved as many as 1.2 million riders every day. We went live in 2019 with a mobile application to manage a lot of our work orders. As of today, we have about 3,000 employees and about 11,000 transactions using Connix. People are finding it very user-friendly. Teams are now expecting to use it as opposed to the older ways of doing things either through paper or through a desktop computer. So the adoption has been very well received. As a large agency like we are, and there's always some opportunity for changes and some improvements to be made to the application, we've presented those to the team. Babu and others have helped us through the development process and made sure that all of our requirements are met. The maintenance from an IT perspective has been almost non-existent for us. Well, certainly the pandemic has been part of the digital transformation throughout the world. That digital transformation has worked its way into the maintenance areas, from doing inspections on buses and processing work orders, really transformed the way they do business. The fact that you have the ease and the usability of a mobile app at your hand to be able to input information real time when you're there makes all the difference in the world.